नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ टीवी। मैं हूं जितेंद्र टवर मलानी उर्फ टोनी। Today we will talk about Assam floods. Assam is flood-prone state. Every year, floods and heavy rains create havoc. This year, that is June 2022, again Assam is facing same situation, resulting heavy losses of properties and human lives. More than 50 lakhs people are affected and more than 100 people have died due to floods in Assam. Flood water level is more than 5 feet in some of the areas as given to understand. People does not have drinking water in few of the areas. They are struggling to get the basic needs. Huge scarcity of food in few of the flood affected areas is found. Locals are trying their best to support each other. Many government agencies are on their toes 24/7 to rescue the victims of floods. Children and elderly people are given preferences to relocate them in safe areas of Assam. Assam government and local authorities are trying its best to put all the efforts to save the human lives and properties of the Assam localites. God bless the people of Assam.